theorems on functions. First theorem is if f maps A to B and g maps B to C are two bijections, then we have to prove that G circle F maps A to C is also a bijection. We know that bijection means it must be both 1 1 and onto. So it can be proved in two cases. Case 1, I consider since F is a bijection, G is bijection, it's also 1 1. I consider F maps A to B, F maps A to B, and G maps B to C are 1 to 1 functions, and we prove G circle F maps A to C is 1 1, is 1 1 function. So taking F maps A to B and G maps B to C are bijection 1 1 functions, we prove that the G circle F maps A to C is a 1 1 function. Also, taking F maps A to B, G maps B to C are onto in case 2, and we prove that G circle F is onto. If G circle F is both 1 1 and onto, I can write that the G circle F is a bijection. That's our process. So case 1. In case 1, what's given? In case 1, we prove case 1. Given G F maps A to B, F maps A to B is a 1 1 function, injection or 1 1 function, right? So according to definition, by definition, for each A1 comma A2 belongs to A, there exists symbol. For each element A1 A2 belongs to A, there exists F of A1 F of A2 belongs to B. If A1 A2 are two elements, their images are F of A1. F image of A1 is F of A1, F image of A2 is F of A2, that lies in B. Such that symbol F of A1 is equal to F of A2. According to definition, F of A1 is equal to F of A2 implies A1 is equal to A2. This is the definition of a 1 1 function for F maps A to B. Very clear. I am writing only definition, not more than that. Similarly, since given, also given G maps B to C, is a 1 1 function, 1 to 1 function. What we can write according to definition, for each element B is there, no, domain B. So B1 B2 belongs to B. There exists G of B1 G of B2 according to definition. G of B2 belongs to C. For each A1 A2 belongs to A, there exists F of A1 F of A2 belongs to B. F of A1 F of A2 are in B. A1 A2 are in domain. F of A1 F of A2 are in B codomain, right? Similarly, B1 B2 belongs to B, G of B1 G of B2 belongs to C, such that what we have to consider, if it is 1 1, G of B1 will be equal to G of B2, implies B1 is equal to B2. These are the definitions of 1 1 functions. F is 1 1, F of A1 equal to F of A2 implies A1 equal to A2. G is 1 1, which is from B to C, therefore G of B1 equal to G of B2 implies B1 is equal to B2. If G circle F is 1 1, what do I have to prove? G circle F, see, I consider A1 A2 belongs to A. I have to prove that G circle F of A1 equal to G circle F of A2 implies A1 equal to A2, then there exists, that's the proof of the theorem, right? Let us try to take that. Let us try to consider that function. Since F maps A to B, G maps B to C are functions, G circle F maps A to C is a bijection. It is a composite function, isn't it? It's a composite function. Since F maps A to B and G maps B to C are 1 1 functions, G circle F maps A to C is a composite function according to definition. Is a composite function. We know the definition of composite function. So G of f of x is equal to G circle f of x. Alright. Consider. Now consider what we consider. G circle f of a1 is equal to G circle f of a2. So why we consider this? We have to prove that G circle f is 1 1. If f maps a to f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to a2, g of b1 equal to g of b2 implies b1 equal to b2, then we say that f and g are 1 1. If G circle f of a1 equal to G circle f of a2, then if you prove that a1 is equal to a2, I consider G circle f is a 1 1 function. So I consider G circle f of a1 equal to G circle f of a2. So according to composite function, I can write it as G of f of a1 is equal to G of f of a2. Okay. F of a1, f of a2 belongs to B. So since G of something is equal to G of something, since G is a 1 1 function, I can write it as f of a1 is equal to f of a2. What is f of a1? It's nothing but b1. F of a2 is b2. G of b1 equal to G of b2. G of b1 is equal to G of b2. So b1 is equal to b2. That is b1 equal to b2. Right? F of a1 equal to f of a2. Since f is a 1 1 function, what is the reason of eliminating G here? What is the reason of eliminating G here? Since G is 1 1 function, right? And then eliminate the f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to a2 since f is a 1 1 function. Since f is 1 1 function. So we have taken G circle f of a1 is equal to G circle f of a2 and we proved a1 is equal to a2. Therefore, what we can conclude? Therefore, G circle f maps A to C is a 1 to 1 function. This is a 1 to 1 function, right? Next, case 2. What is case 2? We'll take case 2 here. Case 2, what we have to take and what we have to prove? We have to take f maps A to B is onto function. F maps A to B, G maps B to C are surjections are onto function. Then we have to prove G circle F maps A to C is onto. Okay, so we have to prove that G circle F maps A to C is onto. For this proof, we have to prove this since F maps A to B is onto function. What is the definition of onto function now? What is definition of onto function? For each B belongs to B, there exists at least one element A belongs to A such that f of A is equal to B. F of A is equal to B. This number. Okay. So B is f of A. If there exists at least one element A belongs to A, for each B belongs to the B, then f of A is equal to B exists. Therefore, f is said to be onto function. This is the definition of onto function. Also, and G maps B to C. G maps B to C is also onto function. Then, according to definition, for each C belongs to C, there exists at least one element B belongs to B such that G of B is equal to C. This is number 2. So from 1 and 2, look here. What is B? Substitute B as f of A in this. This implies G of f of A is equal to C. This implies G circle, composite function, no, G circle f of A is equal to C. Now look into the characteristic of A and C. Where is A? At least one element A belongs to A. What is C here? C. For each C belongs to C. So look here, for each C belongs to C, there exists at least one element A belongs to A. You take both of them here. For each C belongs to C, there exists at least one element. There exists at least one element A belongs to A, such that what we proved? G circle f of A is equal to C. So what we can conclude now? So according to definition, it's proved. For each C belongs to C, there exists at least one element A belongs to A, such that G circle f of A is equal to C. Therefore, G circle f maps A to C is onto function. From cases 1 and 2, from case 1 and 2, G circle f maps A to C is both 1 1 and onto. Therefore, G circle f maps A to C is a bijection. We proved the G circle f maps A to C as a bijection using the definition of f11 function, G11 function, and also f and G are onto functions. Clear.